In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a navigation bar in Google Sites. If you're looking to enhance the organization and accessibility of your website, having a clean and functional navigation bar is definitely a must. I'm here to guide you through the whole process in just a few easy steps, so let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to open your Google site where you'd like to add or modify the navigation bar. Once you're in the editing interface of your site, direct your attention to the top right corner. There you'll find the settings icon, typically represented by a gear symbol. Click on this icon to access the settings menu. This is where you can make various adjustments to customize the experience on your site. As the settings pane opens up, look for the section titled Navigation. This section is crucial as it allows you to determine where your navigation bar will be placed. You'll see options for either a top or a side navigation bar. The choice between these two depends on the layout and aesthetic you're going for with your website. A top navigation bar might be preferable if you want a sleek, minimalistic approach, while a sidebar can offer a broader view of menu options right off the bat. Simply choose your preferred option by clicking the mode that best suits your site's design. The next step is to add the pages you want to include in your navigation menu. To do this, go back to the main toolbar of the editor and locate the option labeled Pages. Clicking on this will bring up a list of all existing pages in your site. If you already have the pages you need, you can simply select them to be part of your navigation bar. However, if you need to create a new page to be added to the navigation, click the plus icon, usually located at the bottom of this page's pane. This icon allows you to create a new page from scratch or duplicate an existing one, which can then be customized to fit your specific requirements. Once your new page is created, name it appropriately so that visitors can easily understand what content they might find there. After naming your page, it's automatically added to the navigation menu depending on the mode you selected earlier, be it on the top or the side. This seamless addition ensures that your site stays organized and user-friendly, helping visitors navigate with ease. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully added a navigation bar to your Google site, streamlining its structure and enhancing its overall user interface. Whether you're running a blog, business site, or personal web page, this feature is essential for clear and efficient navigation, so go ahead and explore these features to see how they can elevate your site's functionality and appearance. Thank you for watching, and happy site building.